welcome back to part 6 of making a blind bag. I'm really tired, so let's get into it.
Easy, it's rolling.
I know.
So are you gonna talk or what?
Oh, yeah. I'm currently taping this, but only 3 sides of it because I need to put the stuff in it still. What should we make for it? I think we should make like, ooh. Let's make it food and water, right? Yeah, we should. Hold on, 1 second. Make it food and water. And then I think this will be my last video because of this series, like the boring bags, not my last video ever. I know it took a long time, like posting and stuff, but don't give me hate for that. We are not gonna puff these, squishy these, whatever they're called. Just gonna cover them because I'm kind of bored and I'm tired and I want to go bed. So,
Yeah, maybe what are you doing with these blind bags after you're done with them?
what?
What are you gonna do with these blind bags after
Give them to my bestie.
all 4 of them? Or 3 of them?
No, wait, what do you mean? No. I'm giving the one I made for Aniston to her.
I know, but what about these ones?
Oh, I'm gonna give mine to Mom. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna with it.
And then write a mystery. Tape it back up. Mystery bag. Yay. Okay. Now I have to write these little thingies. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, it's in there. Okay. Then you tape it. And then you're done. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.